Good morning, student. Let us, children, solve next question from self practice 1. Our next question is question number 5. What is question number 5? Find the difference between the place value. The sub question A. 2 4s in 60,474. So see, the first 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Greater 4 is in hundreds place and second is ones place. So write the solution. The place value of first 4 is 400. First 4 is in hundreds place, so 4 place value will be 400. Next sentence, the place value of second 4 is what? It is in ones place, so write in ones place. 4 only. Difference means minus. It is 0. Borrow 1 from this. This is not also having. So this will take from 4. It become 3. This become 10. And 10 will give this to 1. So this become 10. This become 9. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 and 3. 396. Answer is the difference between 2 4s in 60,474 is 396. Next question, question number B. 2 7 sevens 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 in 17,479. Write the solution. Same as we done in question A. The place value of first 7 is, the place value of first 7 is, see, it is in thousand place, so 7,000. Place value will be 7,000. The place value of second 7 is, see, second 7 is in tens place, so it will be, place value will be 70. Now the difference between 7,000 and 70 is 0 minus 0, 0. Yes, this 0 will take, borrow 1 from this number, this become 10, this becomes 6, this will be 10. So 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 6. So our answer is 6,930. Write the answer. The difference between two values, two sevens in 17,479 is 6,930. Children, next question, question C. 2 8s in 8,90,853. Do yourself. Subtract 800 from 8 lakh. Okay? Children, our next question is question number 6. A. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means from smallest to largest. See the number 80,808. Read the next number 80,088. Next is 88,008. Fourth number is 80,008. And last is 88,808. From this you see which will be the smallest number. See 80,000, 80,000, 88,000, 80,000, 88,000. So from 80 and 88,000, which is smaller? 80,000. And from this 380,000, which is smallest? 80,000, 8 is smallest. So we write this number in first place. Okay. Next 80,088. So this will be in second place. 80,808. This will be in third place. Now 88,008 and 88,808. Which is greater than 80,808? 88,008. 88,008 is greater. So this will be in fourth place. And 88,808 is largest one. So we keep it or write it in last place. Now write the answer. First number 80,008. 80,008. Next place 80,088. Next third number 80,008 108. Then 88,008. And at last 88,808. Okay, children, see 80,008, 80,088, 80,808, 88,008, and last 88,808. Have a nice day, children.